Welcome back to the show. This is your favorite host, Namdi, and you are watching Empathy is Money. Today, like always, I'm going to talk to you a little bit. I'm going to talk to you about empathy. I'm going to remind you how important we all need to be empath and we all need to care about one another. What do empaths number one quality of someone who is empathetic to others is that they have a natural curiosity about strangers. They want to learn about people. I encourage you guys to be naturally curious about other people. That's how we form those bonds that we all want. All right, enough of that. Let's dive right into the main topic of the show. Well, I'm always online trying to figure out what's new about NFTs, what are the current use cases, how is it going to make our lives better? Because you know what? Why else do we need technology? Technology is supposed to be, is here to make our lives better. All right. So when a new technology um, becomes popular, I'm gonna find out about it because I want to know. I want to hop on that train, see how I can benefit from it. If I'm gonna eventually become a billionaire while I'm messing around with it, it's fun. It's exciting. Okay. So NFTs, if you've been watching any of my content, my previous content, you would already know that non-fungible tokens give property rights to all digital content better than anything else out there that we've ever seen before. Okay. Non-fungibility is the quality of not being able to be altered. No one can alter it. No one can. Uh, it's immutable. It's on the blockchain. It's open source and available to everyone for everyone to act to see. Right, but it can't be copied. Currently, well, on Web 2.0, on platforms like Snapchat, IG, Twitter, when you put out digital content, it no longer belongs to you. You transfer ownership to that platform that you posted that thing on. NFT comes in and obliterates all of that, basically just changing the game. Everything that you put on that you tokenize as an NFT belongs to you forever. And I'm talking about if that thing gets traded for any value, you get a kickback. You get royalties, yo, in perpetuity. Tell me what's not to love about this situation. It's exciting for me. I'm thinking about all the different kinds of art and all the different kinds of digital content I can start making and tokenizing and like making it permanent on the blockchain. Plus, if what I tokenize becomes goes viral or if it becomes popular and it engages people, it's not necessarily about the virality. What's important to me is that people benefit from that content, whether it's about mindset change, development, personal development, getting closer to your core, to your chi, to your consciousness, understanding the true nature of you, understand what you're here for. I would like to see a day when we all create content and we own it and we have full ownership of it. And that's what NFT promises. Currently, we're speculating it and we're trading it because yes, it's a new technology and a lot of people are going to try to make a buck from it. Arbitrage. So it's the oldest game in the you know there is. So but after that dies out, after the NFT bubble bursts, and we all things return to normal and everything simmers down, we're now going to start understanding the true power of tokenizing uh, property, digital content. It is far reaching in different sectors from property rights to like virtual real estate, property rights to um, you know game accessories, to property rights to music, art. uh, you know, whatever the case may be, anything that's digital, you can own it in perpetuity and get royalties. All right, I don't want to keep rambling on. Y'all get the point. Thank you all for watching this content. I'm going to keep bringing you this same type of content, and I hope that you're enjoying it. Leave a comment down below, share your thoughts, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.